Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Tesla Model 3. This one is special because it has 111 miles on it. It does have the alloy wheels. It will come with a charger. Your choice of 110 or 220. Absolutely love this blue color. It does have the glass roof. Looking inside, it's got that dark gray interior. There's dark gray suede right here. There's your power supplies for the back seat. Go ahead and show you a shot of the VIN. Controls for the driver's seat. Okay, let's go ahead and show you what we got in here. This is your phone charging port and your center console. Cup holder, another center console. This is trimmed out in wood and chrome. Here on the steering wheel you have your toggles for interfacing with this. Now your touchpad, we can go ahead and jump to the most important screen. This is a Model 3 long range, dual motor, full self-driving capability, and premium connectivity. It only has 111 miles on it. There's your VIN. It does have the premium auto system, the full self-driving computer, the Intel Atom processor. Let's run you through the quick controls. It has folding mirrors. All of your lights, your ambient lights, your locks, display, your driving, you'll have your acceleration and such. There's your autopilots. Auto steer, navigation, summon, full self-driving visualization preview, speed limit warning, forward collision, emergency lane departure and such. There's your navigation, safety and security, your speed limit mode, your Sentry mode, and your dash cam. And it may seem like I'm going through this fast. I would highly recommend watching some tutorials on the Model 3 and you'll get a better understanding of it. Here you can go to your music. Here we'll pull up your backup camera, your energy consumption mapping, your charging. There's your entertainment. Excuse me, there is a message. And your toy box. There's your navigation. Okay, that about wraps it up for this vehicle. It does have a branded title. It did have some cosmetic damage here to the front. It did pass our 150 point inspection once it was all repaired and buttoned up, and it has passed the state of Utah safety inspection. If it didn't have a branded title, you'd never know that it happened. So, we are the largest Tesla dealer in the area, so visit us for more inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.